Hello, in this video I'll be showing how to use animated containers in Flutter to animate any widget. So I'll be showing a demo of the app that we are going to build. So this is the app that we are going to build. As usual, I'll be starting with an empty template with just a scaffold and a container with a column, and let's add the animated container. And don't forget to add the duration. I'm going to add the duration with a duration of 1 second. You can give it in milliseconds or microseconds, and color as I'm going to declare that variable later, and width and height. Alright, let's declare those variables. For color equal to colors dot, I am going to set it as red for now. So initially it will be red, height will be 100 and width also will be 100. Alright, okay, now just below the animated container I am going to add the outline button. So it will say animate container. On press of the button we will be calling a function. Let's name it animate container. Copy that and let's write that function animate container called set state so that it will be re-rendered. I'm going to change the color of the color property to, if it is red, I'm going to change it to green, else it will be red. Alright, and the height, if the height is equal to 100, I'll make it 200, else 100. Same for width as well. Okay, perfect. Let's run the app. Click on the button. So you see that it's slowly animated. So it is using the linear interpolation to slowly animate to the bigger rectangle. Let's add the curve property. Add the bounce in. You can play around with it. You can have your own curve animation. So it bounces in. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to add another animated property, means animated widget, AnimatedCrossFade. The button will say AnimatedCrossFade and the function will say AnimatedCrossFade, and give the duration. Here I am going to give the duration in milliseconds. Let's make it 3000, that is 3 seconds. And you can give two widgets, the first child and second child. First child is an image. I have this apple.png image in my images folder. I'm going to show it to you in a short time. And second child is the same container, but we will change the image. Okay, so those are my images and I have added it in my pubspec.yaml. Alright, so the next required parameter is the crossfade state. So I am going to declare this variable is first crossfade enabled. So if it is true, I am going to show the first image, else I am going to show the second image. Alright, let's declare that and set it to false so that it should show the Android image first on launch. Alright, let's write that function set state. I'm going to toggle it. So if it is true, make it false, false, then true. Okay, click on the button. It should fade to Apple. Click again. It should fade to Android. Okay. So now we will add another widget which is called Animated Opacity. Copy the button. Again, Animate Opacity. Okay, change the method to Animate Opacity. Okay, let's add the opacity property. So let's declare that variable later. And duration to duration in seconds, 2 seconds. And the third one is a child. So I'm going to add the Flutter logo with size 200. Okay, let's declare the opacity variable and make it 0. And we will write that animate opacity function, the same like others, called the set state. Change the opacity. If the opacity is equal to 0, we will change it to 1, else 0. Alright, run the app, click on the button. So in 2 seconds it will fade to the Flutter logo. Alright, so that's all about animated containers in Flutter. You can have in your own custom animations and curves. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, thank you for watching.